Hello! Okay, now we're going to do the accompaniment section of Scaip the Mud. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to figure out exactly where the chords come in the tune. Okay, so as you know by now, there are 4 phrases in each part. Okay, I'm going to count 4 beats for each phrase. So let's try that now, okay? So the first part is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now what we're going to do is we're going to place the chords in the appropriate beat. Okay, so it's going to go chord 2, 3, 4. Chord 2, chord 4. Chord 2, chord 4, chord 2, 3, chord. Okay, so that's where the chords come in. So try doing that with me again. 1, 2. Chord 2, 3, 4. Chord 2 and chord 4. Chord 2, chord and 4. Chord 2, 3, chord. Brilliant. Now, you might want to pause this and rewind and go back and do that 1 or 2 more times, okay? Next thing we're going to do is we're going to try putting the appropriate chord in, okay? So if you look at your chord chart, you'll see it's really simple. I've deliberately kept it as simple as possible for this tune. We are only going to use 2 chords, A minor and G. So we're going to sing that first, okay? So 1, 2. A, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, and G, 4. A, 2, A, and 4. G, 2, and 3, A. Okay, let's try that with me. 1, sing it, of course. Hein, do. A, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, and G, 4. A, 2, A, and 4. G, 2, 3, A. Excellent. I'm going to sing the tune and I'm going to try playing those chords, okay? So do you want to try it with me? 1, 2. A, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, and G, 4. A, 2, 3, A, and 4. G, and 2, and 3, A. Okay, so whether you play guitar or piano, give that a go, alright? Now, I would mention that if you are a basic player, that's totally fine. Just find your A minor chord and play that. If you're a bit more sophisticated, then please play an A5, leave out the C. And this time I'm going to try playing it with my right hand playing the tune. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to play it twice in a row and you're going to play it with me. 1, 2. Okay, now we're really going to do it. 1, 2. Hopefully you got that. Fair play to you. Okay, so we're going to do the second part now. So the system is exactly the same. You've got 4 phrases, and in each phrase you have 4 beats. So it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 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 So now, where do the chords come in? It's a bit more unpredictable than the first part. So it goes chord and 3, 4. Chord and 3, chord. chord and 3 chord, chord, 2, 3 chord. Okay, same thing as before. Press pause, rewind, and try doing that with me a few times. So as I mentioned, this is incredibly simple. We're only using chord A minor and G. Okay, so now let's put them in the appropriate places. It's going to sound like this. 1, 2. A and G and 3 4 A G and 3 A G and 3 A G 2 3 A. Okay, so now what I want you to do is I want you to try singing that with me. Okay, 1, 2. A G and 3 4 A G and 3 A G and 3 A G 2 3 A. Excellent. Okay, so same thing as before. I would like you to press pause, rewind, and do that a few times. Singing. Okay. Now, next thing you're going to do is get your instrument and try playing it with me. Okay, so we're going to try doing A minor and G. 1, 2. A, G, and 3, 4, A, G, and 3, A and G, and 3, 4, G, 2, 3, A. Okay, right, let's try that one more time. 1, 2. A and G and 3, sorry, my mistake. 1, 2. A and G and 3, 4, A, G and 3 and A, G and 3, A, G, 2, 3, A. Brilliant. Now we're going to try that with me playing the melody up here, okay? 1, 2. Okay, hopefully you managed to play that with me. Note that when you play the variation in the melody, it's totally fine. The chords stay identical. Okay, so 1, 2. And hopefully you managed to play that with me. Fantastic. So now we're going to try putting it together, and I'm going to say the chords. 1, 2. Okay, so I may have done a little kerfuffle there, but you get the idea. So now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to say the chords, I'm simply going to play it, and hopefully you'll be able to play along with me. Hey, do.